next 10 days of our lives, we're going to be spending them doing nothing but learning Japanese. We don't know any Japanese, so that's why this is a really good test. We're going to be listening to a prompt in English. We're going to be saying that in Japanese. We're then going to be hearing two Japanese voices model it for us. What we'll be getting from that will be a lot of new vocabulary, but even more importantly, a lot of variation in the context, in the way in which we fit those words into each other. What I'm really interested in is going to be our levels of confidence by the end of it. Do we feel that if we meet somebody who speaks Japanese, we'll jump straight in and start having a conversation? Once you have the confidence to get into conversations, all you need is enough conversations and you'll speak that language very confidently.
We're about to do the call with Oliver. How do we feel about, the amount of Japanese we're going to present to him?
This might be quite short, actually.
I definitely know konnichiwa. I'm not sure when to use it, but I know that it is a word.
I know a few more. I definitely know arigato, which I think everyone would know.
We'll jump in, we'll do the call with Oliver, and then we'll show off to him about all the amazing Japanese we know.
Yeah, I do feel as if I'm showing off.
Yeah. No. Okay. Right, let's go.
皆さん、おはようございます。
おはよう。
Oh, good. 元気ですか？
Okay. ありがとう。おはよう。
おはよう。No. 元気ですか means how are you doing?
Okay. I guess I said okay.
yeah.
Of course, we just hope that we can get into conversations. That's what we hope.
And I will say 頑張って means good luck.
Let's go get it.
何か聞きたいことがある
Very tired. I can say very few things, but I can recognize lots more things, and everything kind of sounds familiar. So I'm hoping that changes tomorrow.
What to learn is. We had a little activation session at the end of the day in which we managed to produce about nothing, just a few words here and there.
So I've gone in the space of about 24 hours from absolute despair to probably slightly unjustified optimism.
Tom and I spoke Japanese all night. Very broken and mistakes and all that, of course. But we did communicate about several different things over the course of the whole night, which I'm very impressed about.
Day 9. Whew. Bit tired by now, but also elated because we have had some genuine flows going based around this sort of limited subset of things that we can talk about at this stage around learning Japanese and going to restaurants and stuff. Japanuary, what a fascinatingly mad idea, but what an absolutely intense and brilliant experience. 日本語を勉強する簡単ではありません。
はい。
でも楽しいです。楽しかった。
はい。
楽しかった。
毎日何時間、日本語の勉強しましたか？
はい。
毎日10時間勉強しました。
ああ、すごい。
短い時間でたくさんできました。思います。
毎日とても頑張りました。
そうですね。
そうですね。
何か聞きたいことがありますか、オリバー？
はい。何が一番難しかったですか？
一番難しいです。
はい。
一番、OK。
話す。一番難しいです。一緒に
勉強した。
でも、アップル一緒にではない。でも話す一緒にたくさん話す一緒に。
なるほど。
話す練習をしています。
はい。
はい
ああ、
はい
OK、understand。
短い時間で、たくさんできました。
できました。もう、私たちをもう学んだようにとてもよろしいです。
すごいと思います。It's way more than what I expected.
I was witnessing what you have achieved in the 10 days to learn Japanese from scratch, and I must say I was super surprised with the huge improvement that you guys have made.
That's very good news for us. Thank you. That's very encouraging.
はいはいはい。美味しいです。
美味しいです。美味しいです。
美味しいですか。
美味しいですか。美味しいです。ございます。
もっとファンかな。
もっとファンがな。もっと勉強する。
勉強します。
はいはい。美味しいです。
美味しいです。はい。
もっと食べ物。
もっと食べ物。はい。